Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Dive Time Watch Reviews. I'm your host, Slick Pits, and welcome on a wonderful Saturday morning. It is Saturday morning, so it's going to be a watch reveal morning. I'm sitting in my little office. Of course, I've still got stuff not unpacked yet, but I figured it'd be a good little place to do a reveal for an unboxing this morning. This watch that I'm going to show you guys is the Shipwrecked Watch Company's Captain's Gilt watch that you can, of course, find on shipwreckedwatchcompany.com. If you dig this content, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. I'd be greatly appreciated. Help me grow here and stuff down here in Florida. What's really crazy about this watch, specifically this Captain's Gilt watch from Shipwrecked Watch Company, is that they sent this to me almost a month ago, right before I left for Arkansas, from Arkansas to move to Florida. And unfortunately, it got delivered after it was supposed to be forwarded to me down here in Florida. And lo and behold, weeks later, after it was kind of lost in the system, I eventually finally got this watch. It's been a nightmare, but the owners have been fantastic with me, and I'm just super excited to get to this watch right here. Now, when I open the box, of course, you can see this thing's completely not opened yet. I opened the regular packaging, and they sent me a nice cleaning cloth. That's going to be nice. Of course, it's got Shipwrecked Watch Company right there on the cloth. And for the watch, they sent me another strap. You can see these watches if you go to Shipwrecked Watch Company's website. They come on a steel strap, but they also have sent me a rubber strap, and it's pretty nice. It's nice, solid build, rubber, brushed on the buckle. Now, I can tell you from speaking to them that this specific watch it does give you that dive watch vibe. It is not a true diver. They do have a true dive watch coming. This one is only rated 100 meters, but when you see it, you're going to go, oh, that's a dive watch. And of course, having the rubber strap really knocks a home run with it too if you're wanting to put it in the water. So, Shipwrecked Watch Company, here we go. Let's see what we got. It is still wrapped up. They got this in nice twine. They really do a fantastic job. Let's see. Alrighty, well, open the box, and we have a nice little packaging here. It comes with a warranty card. That's cool. It's got the model, Captain's Gilt. It's got some signatures on there for you, date of purchase and stuff, so it is nice that you're going to get that in that box with it. Now, bam, they send you a nice leather case. This is cool. Ladies and gentlemen, this is class. I'm going to tell you, for buying a watch that's sub $1,000, really, to get nice casing, nice branding on the casing. This is choice. I'm really digging this. It's got their logo on there. Shipwrecked Watch Company. Let's pop this open. Queen Anne's Revenge, Captain's Gilt watch. We've got a little pad in here, and we have, wow, let's see here. This is going to be a little bit funky to see on that camera, but I've got it on this camera. So this is the Captain's Gilt. They call this the Captain's Gilt. Of course, I'm going to end up showing you photos of this bad boy right here, where you can see that nice coloration of the gold on the dial. Now, again, this is just an unboxing, so I'm not going to go through all the details of this watch. If you do want to get a lot of stuff before I do a full review, of course, go to their website for Shipwrecked Watch Company. This is my just first unboxing. I'm going to tell you that it feels very nice and substantial in the hands. It's got a nice bracelet. The bracelet feels and is designed a lot like, I'm getting a vibe of like the Islander, the GMT from Islander, the JFK. That's that kind of edging. When you're looking at this and you can see the way it's cut. This is just, man, it's very just feels really substantial in the hand, but it feels like it's going to be really steady. It's not all flimsy. It's a nice, actual, good, steady bracelet on there. And of course, that dial is just absolutely killer. I'm totally looking forward to being able to mess with this. Of course, the bezel's going to be nice and stiff right now, right out the gate, but it does have a unidirectional bezel. That's going to be awesome to play with. And so, but looks-wise, right off the bat, it's a really, really pretty piece. I cannot wait to put this on my wrist. I've been excited, super excited about that dial. I've seen the photos of this thing, and that dial is absolutely exquisite. Somebody in a recent thread had talked about logoing, and when you look at the little logo on theirs, it's just different. It separates itself from others. Again, this is an automatic movement in this guy right here. But again, I'm not going to go through everything right now. I'm going to let you guys kind of hang on to that. I will get back at you guys here soon after I've worn it for a few weeks and let you know exactly what I think as a full-on true review. Now, I will let everybody know this watch has been gifted to me from Shipwrecked Watch Company, so take that for what it is. I'm not paid, but I was actually gifted this watch, and I'm excited about it. This is only my second company that I've been able to work with as far as microbrands are concerned, but I'm a huge supporter of small business and microbrands, and I think it's fantastic. For them to gift this to me, I can only say thank you dearly from the bottom of my heart, but I am a honest and pure reviewer, and I will say that giving me the watch doesn't just say, oh, well, he's going to give him a great review and stuff. No, I'm going to wear it, and I will give you my true thoughts on this watch as soon as I'm ready to present it. I do have multiple watches in the lineup right now that are going to be reviewed. I've got some cool stuff coming up, but I wanted to thank you for joining me here this morning on this wonderful Saturday morning as we are looking at the Shipwrecked Captain's Gilt. And it's just a fantastic, amazing little cool watch so far. Again, haven't worn it yet. I want to see what it's like. But but so far I've been really crazy excited about this and really excited to get this thing on the wrist. But it's already looking fantastic. And I can't wait to get some time with this thing and wear it out and get some photos with it. But if you like the content, I greatly appreciate you stopping by. I'm Slick Pits. This is Dive Time Watch Reviews, and I'll see you again this week with another awesome review. And otherwise, hey, what's on your wrist?